This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding what the image should rank for and why. That helps every choice you make next. Once chosen, set your camera or phone to high resolution and steady the frame. Good lighting reduces noise and increases clarity, which Google favors. Make sure to capture multiple variations and crop options so you have flexibility. After shooting, immediately export master files as JPEG or WebP and keep an uncompressed backup. This saves time and preserves quality for optimization. Once you have your master images, name files using concise target keywords and hyphens so crawlers read them easily. This matters for indexing. Next, compress intelligently. Use 70-85% JPEG quality or modern WebP to keep files under about 200 KB without visible loss, because page speed affects ranking. Make sure to write clear, contextual alt text and include captions when relevant, since those cues help Google understand content and improve accessibility simultaneously. You now place images on pages that provide useful context and matching text. Google rewards relevance. Make images responsive using src set and include lazy loading to preserve load speed on mobile. Submit an updated sitemap or request indexing in Search Console, then monitor performance metrics. Impressions and clicks tell you if changes helped. If images don't appear, check robots. TXT and noindex tags, ensure proper MIME types, and verify alt text and structured data. Fixing these usually resolves indexing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.